Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD P2P on Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is verified and you have completed identity verification. Navigate to the P2P trading section on the Binance app or website. This platform connects you directly with other users, facilitating secure transactions for buying and selling cryptocurrencies like USD. It's a flexible way to acquire digital assets using your preferred local payment options. Once in the P2P section, select Buy and then choose USD. You'll see a list of available sellers. Use the filters to specify your desired payment method, such as bank transfer or a digital wallet, and the amount you wish to purchase. It's crucial to review each seller's completion rate and the number of trades they've successfully executed to ensure a smooth transaction. Look for highly rated sellers. After selecting a seller, place your order. Binance will hold the USD in escrow. You will then be provided with the seller's payment details. Proceed to transfer the agreed-upon amount to the seller using your chosen payment method, ensuring all details are accurate. Once the payment is sent, return to Binance and click Transferred, Notify Seller. Do this promptly to avoid order cancellation. Upon receiving your payment confirmation, the seller will release the USD from escrow directly into your Binance wallet. This process usually takes just a few minutes. You can then find your newly acquired USD in your spot wallet, ready for trading or withdrawal. Remember to always trade safely and be aware of the platform's guidelines. Also, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.